Hello everyone, for today's vlog I'm going to make a channel review on how they earn on their YouTube channel, but before that don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell for my latest upload. The aim of this video is to serve an inspiration to all small YouTuber and to all viewers. Disclaimer, all digits you see are purely estimated, and for the reference I use Social Blade, a public website which anyone can check nor access the site. I am now here in Social Blade in a YouTube channel named of Kristel Fulgar, and for today's vlog we're going to make a channel review and we're going to find out how much she earned on her YouTube channel. And obviously you can see 55 upload video on her YouTube channel with 1.3 something million subscribers, with a total video views of 133,884,687. Country is Philippines. Channel type is music because she can sing, and yes, she is a singer. And user created September 13, 2014. Social Blade grid is letter B. Social Blade rank of 105,498. Subscriber rank of 17,813. Video views rank of 45,309. Country rank of 155. And music rank of 2,837. And her subscriber for the last 30 days, she gained 20,000 subscriber. So mababa siya ng 50% compared to the last month. And estimated monthly earnings, meron siyang minimum na $500 to maximum of $8,000. And video views for the last 30 days, she gained 1.9 million something. So mataas siya ng 7.7% compared to the last month. And makikita niyo yung kanyang graph, maganda yung performance ng kanyang channel. And estimated yearly earnings, meron siyang minimum na $6,000 and maximum of $95,900. So i-check natin kung magkano yung kanyang estimated minimum and maximum ng monthly and minimum and maximum ng estimated yearly earnings. So meron siyang $500 sa kanyang monthly estimated earnings times 48 and 28 because that is the exchange rate here in Philippines. Meron siyang 24,000 pesos, yung $500 times 48, 24,000. And yung kanyang maximum na $8,000 times 48, so meron siyang 384,000 pesos. Malaki na din. So 8,000 times 48, meron siyang 384,000. Wow, close to $500,000. And estimated yearly earnings, so meron siyang minimum na $6,000 times 48, so meron siyang 288,000 pesos. Parang flat na flat yung computation, yung conversion sa peso. Yung kanyang maximum naman na $95,900 times 48, so meron siyang estimated earnings na 4,603,200 pesos sa maximum estimated yearly earnings ni Kristel Fulgar sa kanyang YouTube channel. And ang ganda ng performance ng kanyang channel, and makikita nyo sa graph niya. So kukunti pa lang yung mga upload niyang video, and if she upload more, I think hindi lang ito yung kanyang kikitain sa kanyang YouTube channel, diba? So for the next page, we're going to find out her daily average, weekly average, and for the last 30 days. And makikita natin din yung estimated earnings, video views, subscribers, and date na mga nagge-generate na mga earnings ng kanyang video. So let's go jump to her YouTube statistics. So makikita natin dito yung estimated and video views na kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. So ang lalaki ng kanyang estimated earnings, $16 to $249, $16 to $252, US dollar. So for me, malalaki na itong estimated earnings, and I think half of the maximum estimated earnings yung kanyang kinikita. So malabo doon sa minimum. I think half of the maximum. So doon sa baba makikita natin yung kanyang daily average, weekly average, and for the last 30 days. So updated dyan, and meron siyang live update dyan. Hindi ko lang kung ilang minuto siya nag-update. So yung daily average siya, meron siyang 667 subscriber na nag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel with 66,611 video views with minimum estimated earnings ng $17 to maximum of $266 US dollars. So that is only for one day, and the weekly average of 4,066 something subscriber who subscribed to her YouTube channel with 466,277 total video views. And yung estimated earnings niya na minimum is $117 US dollars to $1,900 US dollars. So ang laki na yun. That is only for weekly average. And for the last 30 days, she gained 20,000 subscribers na nag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel with 1,998,323 total video views, and estimated earnings niya minimum is $500 US dollars to $8,000 US dollars. So na-compute na natin yan kanina, and na-find out natin kung magkano yung conversion niya sa peso. So since yung mga videos niya is hindi lang galing sa Pilipinas, sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Ayun. And she can speak Korean language din. Ayan, kasi madalas siya sa Korea. Ayan. And she is a celebrity here in Philippines, by the way. Sa Going Bulilit before. Ayan. So for the next page, we're going to check out her monthly gain views. So makikita natin yung graph doon, yung bawat graph ng previous year. So andito na tayo sa kanyang monthly gain video views for Kristel Fulgar. So makikita niyo yung recent niya ng March 2 million, February 1 million, and January ng ayan, and so on and so forth, guys. So may mga point dyan na mataas, kagaya niya na 3,271,000 something. Ayan, dun sa baba ganun din, mas marami yung nakukuha niyang subscribers sa taas ng views, and marami ang nag-view ng kanyang mga videos. So same lang yun ng mga subscriber niya sa monthly gain video views and monthly gain subscribers. So hindi man pare-parehos yung kanyang mga subscribers and video views sa bawat buwan. So I made this video to inspire small YouTuber and to all viewers na mayroong planong mag-enter ng YouTube industry. So at least you have an idea kung magkano ang kinikita ng isang YouTuber or vlogger dito sa YouTube. And that's for today's video, guys, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Kristel Fulgar, and of course my YouTube channel, Ikim Rasalas. And keep safe everyone, and bye bye.